Alright, this video is meant to just be more of a challenge for y'all. Before you get into the next video, you're going to need to set up your animations for your player and your enemy. So for your player, you're going to need an attack animation. You'll also need a death animation. Now that's looping, of course, so if we were just to go scroll through, and all of those can be found in your G-Node character under attacks and then hit and death. Don't forget to set up your sprites so that there's 16 pixels per unit, and your filter mode. You're also going to need to set up the attack for enemy number 4 here, the attack, and he doesn't have a death animation, so go ahead and incorporate the hit, and then we'll do something through code so that he disappears when he dies. Keep learning, keep building. See you in the next video.